Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being on the channel again. Victor in the weather. It's not that noisy. It's July the 4th, 2025. Yep. Oh, hey, there's some good stuff here. I shouldn't eat with my talk with my mouth full. Anyways, it's June the 4th, 2025. 17 degrees out here on the west coast of Okanagan. Out in Grand Prairie, it is 17.2. We're supposed to get up to 24. 24 degrees there, and we're supposed to get up to 25 here in the Okanagan Valley. Yeah. Well, I know, I'm kind of fidgety and eating those caffeine seeds. Make you kind of hyper. Anyways, yeah, it's supposed to be hot. Like I said, it's gonna be hot. And if you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll show you on the screen, but I don't hold hands. Anyways, thanks a lot for liking these videos, for sharing them. Sorry, I'm making you dizzy. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Wednesday. Let's go Oilers! Yeah. Well, whatever that is, because I don't even know. Can't even watch hockey. I don't have a TV. It's job doesn't pay that much. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. Hey, I'll show you a video from Grand Prairie with the train. You hear the train. Oh, sorry. Anyways, here's a picture of Grand Prairie. Video. Whatever that is. Thanks. Oh, I'm back. Sorry. Yeah, channel interruption. How'd you like that train? Ooh, I hear the train coming, rolling down the track. Never coming back. I shot a man in Houston just to watch him die. Anyways, take care. Thanks.